Welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at the tulip stitch. This is a really nice stitch for a blanket, a baby blanket. It's got that kind of corner to corner look, but without being a corner to corner blanket. It would look really nice if you did different colours for each row. Yeah, so let's get started. So to begin, we're going to make a slip knot and chain, and we're going to make our chain in a multiple of 4. You want to keep your chain nice and loose. Yeah, don't make the chains too tight. So for this sample, I'm going to make 28. So I've made my 28 chains. If you're making a baby blanket, then just make it keep making multiples of 4 until you've got the width that you want. Yeah, so we're going to go from top to bottom or bottom to top, whichever way you want to look at it. So yeah, keep going until you've got the size you want, and then when we've got our multiple of 4, we're going to add 5. So working in the 5th chain from the hook, we're going to make 3 US doubles, UK trebles. We're then going to skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and go into the 4th one. We're going to make a US single, UK double, and then chain 3. We're going to go into that same chain that we just made the US single, UK double, and make 3 US doubles, UK trebles in that same chain space, yeah? And that's our repeat for this first row. We're going to skip 3 chains, go into the 4th chain with a US single, UK double, chain 3, and then into the same chain make 3 US doubles, UK trebles. And I'll see you at the end of the row. So if you're making a really long row for a baby blanket, you can press pause, and I'll meet you at the end. So I'm just making my last group of stitches now. Don't worry if your chain spaces have become quite big, we'll pull that out in a minute. So we were nearly at the end. We're going to miss 3 chains, and then there's 1 chain left at the end. Yeah, so we're going to make a US single, UK double in there, and that's the end of our first row. So you can then just give the chain a little pull to put it into shape, and we'll start the next round. So we're going to chain 4 we'll start the next row. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to turn our work around. We're going to make 3 US doubles, UK trebles in the first chain that we made. After we've made our 3 stitches, we're going to hop across to that chain 3 space we made. We're going to make a US single, UK double in there. We're then going to chain 3. And we're going to make 3 US doubles, UK trebles into that same chain 3 space. After 3 stitches, we're going to hop across to the next chain 3 space, make a US single, UK double, chain 3, and then 3 more stitches, and that's our repeat and I'll see you at the end of the row so that we can turn our work again. So I'm just coming up to the end of the row. We're going to go into the last chain space with a US single, UK double, and then we're going to chain 4. We're going to turn the work and we're going to make 3 US doubles, UK trebles into the first chain. We're then going to hop across to the next chain space and we're going to make a US single, UK double, chain 3, and make 3 more stitches, US doubles, UK trebles, into the chain 3 space. And that's our repeat. So we're just going to go along making your sample or your blanket as big as you want. It's going to look a bit weird until you get a few rows done up. Yeah, so keep going with it, and I'll see you in the next video.